Hello, hello. Welcome to Top Shelf Backpacking. Today we're out here in the Columbia River Gorge on the more east side. We are at Horsethief Butte. Beautiful day out here, awfully windy. We are doing about a mile, I think it's a loop. We've got a map somewhere, just haven't looked at it yet. You do need a discovery pass to park here, but you can buy one there at the trailhead, which is kind of handy, at least a day pass. So we are going to see you guys out here on trail. Trail stop's a little bit short here out on the water view. Head back, connect over to finish the kind of loop that looks like it climbs up the butte and over. See you guys out here on trail. So if you try to do the loop, there is a bit of bouldering you have to do up there to make it. So backtracking might be the better option there, but definitely some cool petroglyphs and stuff up there in the cliffs. We made it back to the car at Horsethief Butte. It is so windy out there, couldn't film an outro. It was just over a mile the route we took. We did the water view and then the butte view, kind of up and over the connector. Definitely some bouldering, if you will, to make that connection. So not necessarily kid or pet friendly there, but doable if you go nice and slow, but you can always hike up for the butte view and then kind of backtrack the way you came in. Overall, a beautiful hike out here in the Columbia River Gorge. Nice to see some of the flowers popping. It's currently April, so the balsam root and everything was very vibrant. More wildflowers to come in May, I would hope. For more information on Horsethief Butte and the other hikes you see on this channel, visit topshelfbackpacking.com. And until I see you again, cheers.